How to fake your GPS location on the iPhone running iOS 18. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your phone is up to date. So go into settings, and in settings we're going to tap on general, then tap on software update, and in here make sure you update your software to the latest version. So here's iOS 18.3. Next, on your computer, you want to use an application called Tree Tools. So go and download this from the website. So Tree Tools, and download it. Then on your iPhone, we're going to plug the phone into the computer. So here. If the phone shows a trust button, tap on the trust button so that you can connect to your PC. Okay, here make sure you launch and open up the Tree Tools app. Once you connect it, it should show the name of your phone at the top corner right here. And then what you want to do is you want to click on toolbox. So if you click on iDevice, it shows your device information such as your phone ID, iOS version, and so on. So you want to click on toolbox. Then we're going to click on virtual location. So here click on virtual location. Then on the map you can put in the address. So in the text box here you can put in the address, or you can use the mouse to scroll in or scroll out, and you can choose a new location. So here let's move to another location. So this small island here. So let's go to a different location. So we go up north a little bit. Okay, so let's take a look at an example here. It's too cold there, so go somewhere a bit warmer perhaps. Let's go to United States, California, somewhere a bit warmer. Maybe Los Angeles. Okay, so I'm going to pin the location here. Okay, so we have now pinned the location, and then click on Modified Virtual Location. So click on that button. Now you may see this reminder, so the device may reconnect. After a successful reconnection, please try to modify your location again. So here's a modifying the location, please wait. So on your device, you can now check the location. Now if you try it the first time and it does not work, what you need to do is just simply disconnect your phone and reconnect it and try it again. Sometimes it may take you two or three times of trying before it starts to work correctly. So here I will try it again. Click on virtual location, and here I'll move my location again. It doesn't seem to work at that time, so I'll go in again. Let's try Denver this time. Pin the location, click on modify virtual location, and we just wait for the virtual location to be modified. Okay, so I have moved location to New Zealand. Here on my map it shows right there. So if I move it to this one right here and click on modified location, and if I close my device here, it should move the location as well. So here it just moved right there. The map is pixelated for some reason, but it should show you the new location where you sit with this tool. So give it a try and see how you go. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.